A young organization on the island by the name of One More has plans to organize 4 events this year, all centering around children and family. Members of One More say a well-rounded family is the engine that drives a positive community. Yentl Lieuw is one of the founders of One More organization. The concept of the organization is simple. It is all about love.
We are a bunch of kids. We are a lot of young people that in our, you would say, free time, we like to just see where need is and we just go there. We don't like, for example, to go and ask for money or just let's do this to show them that we can do it. No, we try to help those that already are functioning. For example, Casa Cuna, all the organizations that are already existing, we like to help them, not just be an organization ourselves.
Between 2012 to 2013, the organization hosted several One More meal events, which included feeding and clothing the homeless. Their next event is dedicated to the children of St. Nicholas.
It's May 4th. The Sunday is going to be from 3 to 5 in YMCA. We're gonna make like a family day for the kids in St. Nicholas. We are gonna give them treats and food for free for them, for the parents, with jams, cotton candy, popcorn. Just show them love, for them to show them that they are important to the society.
One More's next 4 events this year center around family and love.
Well, we have 4 this year. We will start in with the children, then with the moms, then with the dads, and the end we will do it with the whole family. What's the point? We want to bring the family together because we believe that family is the nucleus of the society, and once the family is together and they are united, things are better in the society.
For more information on the organization, or if you'd like to volunteer, go to Facebook and search up One More Aruba, or go to www.onemorearuba.com.